The world's #1 heat transfer vinyl manufacturer now has a CAD-CUT material for hard surfaces. CAD-CUT pressure sensitive sign vinyl gives you the ability to customize windows, walls, tumblers, and more. With 30 colors to choose from and a great price point, Stahls CAD-CUT sign vinyl is the perfect way to offer your customers more ways to personalize items for indoor or outdoor use. CAD-CUT sign vinyl can be cut on any vinyl cutter and can be applied to any hard, flat surface. It can even be applied to items that have simple curves like glasses, mugs, and tumblers. It's easy to order CAD-CUT sign vinyl at Stahls.com. Choose the color of sign vinyl that you need, select your roll size. Don't forget to add application tape. This is what you'll use to apply your final design to your item. That's it. Place the order and your roll of CAD-CUT sign vinyl will ship that day. While your CAD-CUT sign vinyl is on its way, you can start designing in your favorite design software. We love using CADWorksLive.com, a completely free, cloud-based design software available exclusively to Stahls customers. When you're designing to cut on CAD-CUT sign vinyl, we recommend choosing text elements and designs that you're sure will be visible once applied to your surface. Now that your CAD-CUT sign vinyl has arrived, load it into your vinyl cutter. Make sure you perform a test cut before sending your full production run. Start test cutting around a 10 to 12 setting on a graphtec vinyl cutter or 70 to 80 on a Roland vinyl cutter. Send your design to the cutter and make sure not to mirror it. We will be using application tape to take your vinyl to the item. There's no need to mirror it for cutting. Once cutting is complete, weed away the excess vinyl and apply the application tape to your design. It's best to apply the tape to your design starting in the center and moving out. This helps to eliminate any air bubbles or wrinkles that might occur. To remove your design from the carrier for final application, peel back on your application tape. Now we're ready to move to the item. Make sure you've cleaned and dried the surface you're going to apply to. Cleaning will make sure your sign vinyl will stick and stay for the longest time possible. Place your design from the middle out. Use a squeegee or credit card to press the design down, then peel away the application tape. That's it. CAD-CUT sign vinyl is the easiest way to give your customers the ability to personalize on more items, just by using your vinyl cutter. For more info or to place your order, visit Stahls.com.